guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're learning names of sea animals. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, start! This is a starfish. This is a seal. This is a crocodile. This is a angelfish. This is a sea lion. These are shells. This is a otter. This is a turtle. This is a crab. This is Nemo, so cute. This is a squid. This is a pelican. This is a seagull. This is a shrimp. This is Dory. This is lobster. This is eel. These are clams. This is a shark. This is a butterfly fish. This is dolphin. This is stingray. This is koi fish. This is clownfish. This is a goldfish. This is a hammerhead shark. This is bannerfish. This is a whale. This is a jellyfish. This is a octopus. This is a seahorse. This is a hermit crab. This is a peacock mantis shrimp. This is sea urchin. This is a sea scorpion. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel. We see you next time. Bye.